Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with Organizing Your Home Office. I recently got a request for a tour of my home office. At first I hesitated because I think it's kind of boring to see those shows where famous people show their fabulous homes. Their choices seem impractical and arbitrary. I'm certainly not famous and don't have a fabulous home, but all my home office choices are practical and very intentional. So if I can show you my home office from a helpful place, then I'd be happy to share. The first thing you'll notice about my home office is how small it is. There's a lot going on in here. It never feels cramped. If you've read my book, The Circulation Solution, then you'll know about my target model for the home office. I want to demonstrate how I have followed this. One of the things I emphasize about this model is that it's not about literally painting circles and staying inside them. It's all about prioritizing your space. It starts with the bullseye. It is the most important zone in your home office. So what lives here? Nothing. This should not come as a surprise to anyone who has seen my videos before, but your number one organizing tool is a clear work surface. This is the key to staying organized because a clear work surface empowers you to process. Every storage solution within the target model should function to support this clear bullseye. To show you how this works, I'll start with the outer circle candidates and work inward. Ring 4 is for backup supplies, promotional material, inventory, and archives. I've got that on these two bottom shelves and these three sets of drawers. Ring 3 is for reference and display, items within sight but not within reach. I've mostly got reference here and display here. My photo project, projects on hold, art, and plant display do not need to be within reach. Another third ring display area is this wall. You might recognize it from my videos. I drop my logo sign down for those and raise it back up for my video calls. It's velcroed to a whiteboard which I am able to work on between the Velcro strips. I'm so happy with my new Alpha shelves that I may consider reconfiguring my home office so that the shelves are my new video conference background. Ring 2 is for the printer and other items you use often but can get up for. Things I need close but not sit down close are my charging station, my drawing table, printer, and scanner. I can mostly access my file cabinets without getting up. But most critically, the 2-drawer file cabinet offers additional surface area for Ring 1 items. My drawing table doubles as a stand-up workstation to give my back a break. Ring 1 is the smallest ring, so keep the bare minimum you need at your fingertips all the time. This includes your computer, phone, running files, and minimal office supplies. Of course, the computer and phone are non-negotiable, but I don't need the keyboard on my Surface. Notice how small the categories are here. Just one of each writing implements. With my checkbooks, I keep a minimum of stationery, so writing those thank you notes are as easy as possible. Most regularly used tools are here. Secondary tools are in this tray. My running files, my task collector, and project corrals are within sight and within reach. Time management and hydration are essential, so the time timer and water are within reach. I actually prefer this analog clock to digital, so I keep this clock easily visible. The bullseye is not a place where nothing ever goes. It's a place where nothing is ever stored. If you find yourself making an exception, look to the outer rings to find a better home. To be clear, your best home office won't come from making the exact same choices I made. It will come from how you prioritize your storage needs. Just make sure your choices all go to support the open bullseye, and your home office will be on target. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.